How to pair a Roku remote without a pairing button.
Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to pair a Roku remote without a pairing button. If you've lost your original remote or have a newer model without a pairing button, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started.
Verify compatibility.
The first thing you need to do is ensure that your Roku device is compatible with a remote that doesn't have a pairing button. Most Roku devices released in recent years support this method, but it's always good to double-check. Visit the official Roku website and look for the list of compatible devices.
Reset the Roku remote.
If you've been using your remote with another Roku device, it's important to reset it before attempting to pair it with a new device. To do this, remove the batteries from the remote and then unplug your Roku device from the power source. Wait for about 10 seconds and then plug your Roku device back in.
Power on the Roku device.
Once your Roku device has powered on, wait for the home screen to appear on your TV. This indicates that the device is ready to be paired with a remote.
Locate the pairing button.
Now, check the back or bottom of your Roku device to locate the pairing button. Some Roku devices have the pairing button located on the back, while others have it on the bottom. Once you've found it, keep it in mind as we proceed to the next step.
Insert batteries.
Now, it's time to insert the batteries into your Roku remote. Open the battery compartment and insert the batteries according to the polarity markings. Make sure you align them correctly to avoid any issues.
Put the Roku remote into pairing mode.
To put your Roku remote into pairing mode, you need to follow a specific button sequence. Here's what you need to do. 1. Press and hold the home button on your remote for about 5 seconds. 2. Release the home button and then press the following buttons in sequence: up, up, right, left, right, left, right. This button sequence will activate the pairing mode on your Roku remote.
Pair the remote with the Roku device.
With the Roku remote in pairing mode, it's time to pair it with your Roku device. Take a look at your Roku device and locate the pairing button we mentioned earlier. 1. Press and hold the pairing button on your Roku device until the pairing light starts flashing. 2. Once the light is flashing, press the pairing button on your remote. The pairing light should stop flashing and remain solid, indicating a successful pairing. And there you have it. You've successfully paired your Roku remote without a pairing button. Now you can start enjoying your favorite content with your newly paired remote. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!